Good day, BPI traders. My name is Rich. I'm here to report on the second quarter GDP results. Now, GDP results for the second quarter were at 6.4%. This was above economists' estimates of around 6.1%, which is really good, right? Now, according to our BPI economist, June Neri, he said that because of the higher than expected GDP growth, he expects that we could reach a full-year target of around 6.2% by the end of 2014. And this actually shows that the growth momentum of the Philippines is actually sustainable. Now, what does this mean for the stock market? Now, first of all, because of the high GDP growth rate, the BSP has more wiggle room to actually tinker with increased interest rates, for example, to actually control inflation rates. This is actually good for banks with a high deposit base. Second of all, you should note that the government expenditures for the second quarter of 2014 grew by 0%. And for the coming second half, this is actually the upside to GDP growth. And this is actually beneficial to companies with large PPP projects and contracts. Third, because inflation can be moderated in the future, this is actually good for consumer companies as well. So keep a lookout for how fast, again, our Philippine market can grow. Thanks for listening.